Dreaming of studying in the USA? Vnext International is here to guide you through the process. The USA is home to world-class universities, cutting-edge research, and diverse academic opportunities, making it a top choice for international students. From Ivy League institutions to public universities and community colleges, the USA offers a variety of programs tailored to your career goals. Applying to a US university? We help with everything: choosing the right university, preparing for exams, writing an impressive SOP, and submitting your applications. Worried about tuition? The USA offers merit-based, need-based, and research scholarships to support international students. Get your F1 student visa with our expert guidance, ensuring a hassle-free process from interview preparation to approval. Gain valuable experience through work programs like CPT during studies and OPT after graduation to boost your career prospects. Experience a multicultural environment, network globally, and enjoy a vibrant student life in the USA. Your American dream starts here. Contact Vnext International today.